this year has been very much successful, I would say, for the Regional Cooperation Council, which was also in a way seen and confirmed at the summit of the leaders in London that happened in October this year, where we, I could say, pocketed kind of 15 deliverables and additional initiatives which are centered, I would say, around sustainable economic development. This is very much important, so we have different initiatives from the green bond standards, investments, public procurement, tourism, all those that try to support development which takes into account sustainability criteria and this development in a way which takes into account also climate challenges that do exist. The most important message that I would like to say indeed is the regional cooperation provides the platform for I would say integrated work, and it has potential which is still untapped, and then together we can manage it to be attained.